Korean. Ano ka simple color? Baby sa
Matapin po pa nga ito eh.
Who's the dresser? 34? Ay, 34. The first runner-up? Sino na dresser na? Okay. What is the combination? James, what do you think?
I like the balance between creativity and then yung balance na pag-mix up. So yeah, I think it's
Bago tayo gumawa siya. Meron pa dalawa na lang. Pero yung isa parang wala pa makakabibitayin tayo. Parang
the combination, it's perfect for the cut is nice, well deserved. Congratulations.
Dapat yun yung...
What's your name?
I'm Joya Boya. I'm the owner of JJ and Jerry Studio in Cubao, Quezon City.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. This is actually my fifth time to join you here. Yun, sali lang tayo ng sali. Keep on learning. Yun.
Okay, thank you. So we'll have a picture from Vermont, of course. Ay, mali. Ano mo, mas marami tong pera. Second runner-up yan.